Hello everyone, I am Purbi Ajmera. Welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I talked about how to juggle your class 12 boards along with CUET and when you have so much to deal with. So I got a lot of comments asking for how to solve sample papers. So here I am with the video. This is both for class 10th and 12th. It is a generic video. So students from class 10th as well as 12th can watch it. It would be helpful for both the batches. Now before moving with the video, I would like to inform you that I am conducting special classes on an academy relating to CUET. I've already conducted 2 classes and I will be conducting 3 more classes in coming next 3 days, consecutive days, and I'm pretty sure that it would be helpful for you all. So do join the classes, and if you're aiming to appear for CUET, I will put up the class link in the description box once it's generated, and I'll post the links relating to the schedule relating to the classes on my community tab as well. So yes, let's move ahead with the video. So talking about sample papers, there's a lot of stress already among the students because the boards are approaching and the pre-boards as well. So it's really important to first of all complete the syllabus. You cannot dive into solving sample papers if your syllabus has not been completed. You can't sit with the false motivation that yes, itna bacha hai, 70% ho gaya hai, so let's try out the sample papers. No, that should not be the case. Only appear for the sample papers once you're 100% done with the syllabus, at least once, and because it will boost your morale. And if you sit, even if you skip 2 or 3 chapters and you sit to solve the sample papers, then it's absolutely going to lower your confidence when you will realize that you don't know this question or you don't know how to attempt this question, and that is not something we are looking for at this moment when we are already so stressed out, right? So complete the syllabus, then go on solving the sample papers. Now students are usually confused about whether we should solve past year's paper first or sample papers first. So it's up to you, it's totally up to you. Past year's paper can be used as a source of revision once you're done with sample papers, but if you are opting for question banks, then solve the questions in the question banks as and when you complete the chapter. So let us assume that you have completed 1 chapter of BST, or the class 10 students, whatever, they have completed 1 chapter, then try to solve the questions from the question banks, because there the questions are assembled chapter wise and not together. So it's helpful for you. And once you are done with the syllabus, then go for solving the sample papers. For the past year papers, I would suggest once you're done with everything, sample papers and all, then go for solving the past year papers as a source of revision. Now how to solve the sample papers, that is the main question. So once the first priority should be the CBSE sample paper, because that is the one on which actually your paper will be based upon. So you definitely have to solve the paper and try to do it with good 3 hours at hand, not just simply looking at the questions and recalling in your mind that yes, I know this answer. No, you have to sit with a pen and paper for 3 hours straight and write the examination as you will write in the boards, with same level of motivation. Only then there is sense of solving sample papers, otherwise not. Then after you are done with the CBSE sample paper, try to take up other publications and try to solve at least 2 sample papers every day. You will have to keep at least 10 to 12 days for solving only sample papers, because you will have to get into the habit of writing, for answer writing and paper presentation. So that will come only when you actually start solving papers. So that is the main reason you have to give proper time, invest proper time into this, and do not think that it's a waste of time, sitting with a paper you don't even know what the questions are, or are these important or not. That's not the priority. You have to build your answer writing skills and paper presentation skills. That is of utmost importance. Then talking about publications which you can use are some of the publications which I used were Oswald and Educart. This is not a sponsored video by them, to be clear, but yes, these 2 publications I've used in my class 10th and 12th, and I've told in almost every video of mine. So yes, you can try these out, and if you know any other good publication, it's absolutely up to you. There is no compulsion that you have to stick to a particular brand. There is nothing as such. Also talking about past year papers, I've used Shivdas. Many of you were like confused about the name. It's Shivdas. I'll just type it in the screen as well. So you have past 7 years paper. These are really good, like especially for class 10 students. These are like really good. You should not miss solving like or looking through, glancing through the past year's paper. Also you can find them online, like if you don't want to buy a hard copy or you don't want to invest, I think you can also find it online on CBSE's website, but that is a very troublesome job because you have to go and look up to each subject's paper. So that is a bit, you have 6 subjects, and if you want 7 7 years papers, so like you'll have to go to the tab 42 times and then take out the papers individually, so it would be a very troublesome and tiresome job. So I think you can invest in like a book which will actually be helpful for you. So once you're confident with the fact that your syllabus has been has actually been completed and you are done with everything, then like the sample paper booklets which come in the market usually have 15 papers or 15 to 20 papers. So it's not like humanly possible to do all the 15 papers with 3 hours at hand. That is because you have 6 subjects to deal with. So you can do one thing, that after you are like confident enough, some of the papers you can write properly with 3 hours, but some of the papers you can just go through the questions and just for your revision purpose, that you can do, so that you cover the like entire thing, and you can manage all the subjects together as well. So this is what I did in my class 10th as well as 12th, and I believe this could be like helpful for you all in a situation like now where you are like very bothered about how to go about like if you are done with the syllabus or you're halfway there, how to approach like what are the next steps to be taken, because boards are nearly just at the doorstep. So it's a bit hectic situation for all of you. It's very understandable. So yes, these are some of the tips which I followed and turned out to be helpful for me, and I think it would be helpful for you as well. So this is it for the video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this like beneficial, do share it with your friends and relatives as well. I'll meet you in the next video. Drop the suggestions in the comment box as you did in my last video, so that I can bring out more videos for you all. So yeah, this is it for the video. I'll meet you next super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.